Experiment on the three major characteristics of air. The materials we prepared include plastic hose, air pump, tissue paper, syringe, plastic cup, eraser, water tank. The first method, materials we prepared include water tank, plastic cup, and a ball of paper. First, stuff the paper ball into the plastic cup. To make it easier to observe, we have switched the water tank for the beaker. We will flip the plastic up with the paper ball upside down and push the cup vertically into the beaker. Then we will remove the plastic cup. Use your hand and fill the napkin. We can see that the entire napkin is dry. We can see that the ball of paper is dry and did not get wet. That is because the air inside the cup occupies space. Water cannot get into the cup, so the ball of paper did not get wet. The second method, the materials we prepared include a water tank, plastic cup, plastic hose, and air pump. We fill the cup with water, then have the opening of the cup face downward. We have to push it all the way down to the bottom of the beaker. Then insert the air pump into one end of the hose. Put the other end inside the cup. We use one end of the plastic hose to connect the air pump. The other end insert into the cup. Then we will use the pump to pump air into the cup and observe the water level change inside the cup. We will observe the water level change inside the cup. You can see that there are bubbles entering the cup. And slowly the water level inside the cup is also lowering. Because the air pump is pumping air into the cup, so air will push the water out of the cup. It proves that air does occupy space. The experiment of using syringe to observe air taking up space. The materials we prepared include a transparent tube, syringe. Insert the tip of the syringe into the transparent tube. Pull the plunger of the other syringe first, then insert it into the other end. We can see that the syringe at this end already has air inside. We push it down and observe the syringe at the other end. We can see that air does occupy space. Because the syringe at the other end has risen to the same level, we push it down again to see if we can get the same result. We will find that it will return to its former level. Then we push the syringe at this end tight. When we push the syringe at the other end, we will find that air can be compressed, but once released, it will return to the same level. Let us see it again. Air can occupy space and can be compressed. This experiment proves the compressibility of air. The materials prepared include eraser, syringe, water, and red ink. We will pull the plunger of syringe to the 10 mark, then push the hub of the syringe against the eraser below. Push the plunger down slowly. We can see that the plunger will move down, but it cannot be pushed down to the 0 mark. Once released, we will find that the plunger has returned to the 10 mark. To make it easier to observe, we have dyed the water red. Then, add 10 ml of water into the syringe. Once 10 ml of water has been added, have the hub of the syringe pointed down against the eraser. Push downward. We will find that it cannot be compressed. We cannot push the plunger down, so the plunger cannot be moved. This proves that air can be compressed, but water cannot be compressed. The experiment of air having no particular shape. Prepare a transparent zipper bag. Get air into the zipper bag. Then, seal the zipper bag. We can see that it has become puffy. We can push and compress it, and find that it has no fixed shape. Now we see that the zipper bag is still puffy. There's air inside. Now put it into water. We will find that once it has been put into water, we can still change the shape of the zipper bag. It has no particular shape.